Hello everyone, today I want to share a part of my daily work life here in Japan. I work at a fishbowl manufacturing factory in Okayama Prefecture. Today is Saturday, which is the weekend. I start at work at 8 a.m. in the morning. When I arrive at the work, I first get ready and then go to the section where I work every day. My job is in the frying section, where we fry fishbowl product. Because of the machine and the continuous cooking process, this area can get very hot. During the winter season, the temperature is not too bad, so working there feel more comfortable. But during summer, the heat becomes extremely intense. I have to wear a cooling fan jacket to help me handle the heat and continue working comfortably. Even so, the job can be trying and the heat is sometimes difficult to bear with. I keep working hard every day. This is the part of my working life experience here in Japan. I'm grateful for the journey. I start at 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. and I relax 1 hour. One day I work as 8 hours. Sometimes I really tired, but I have this trying. My work day is 8 hours. It's winning right now. After finishing my work, I check off my work uniform and hurry up back to home. After a busy day at work, coming back home, cooking and sharing food together with my family is one of the happy parts of my day. On my way home from the factory, it takes about 10 minutes by bicycle. The weather along the way is neither hot nor cold. It is quite as comfortable, especially sun in this summer, and the sun has not yet set. Even so, it is already after 5 o'clock. The light is still shining. The road I cycle along is lined with tall buildings and beautiful Japanese houses, which make the journey very pleasant. That near arrive my apartment. My apartment is 5 floors, but we have elevator